Scania. Welcome to our exclusive behind-the-scenes look at Scania's truck factory. In this intriguing video, we take you on an immersive journey through the production line of one of the world's most renowned truck manufacturers. Join us as we unveil the inner workings of Scania's state-of-the-art manufacturing facilities, where precision and innovation collide to create exceptional heavy-duty vehicles. Get ready to witness the intricate processes and cutting-edge technologies that go into every truck built at the factory. From the initial design stage to the final assembly, you will gain valuable insights into the meticulous craftsmanship that makes Scania Trucks stand out. Discover how skilled engineers and technicians collaborate seamlessly to ensure every component aligns perfectly, guaranteeing unbeatable performance and reliability on the road. Observe the meticulous quality control measures in place throughout the production line, where thorough testing and inspections ensure that every truck leaving the factory is built to superior standards. Witness the passion and dedication of the entire team as they work tirelessly to deliver world-class trucks that exceed customer expectations. Not only will you witness the production process, but you'll also catch a glimpse of the factory's commitment to sustainability. Scania's eco-friendly initiatives and energy-efficient practices play a significant role in reducing the environmental footprint, making every Scania truck an eco-conscious choice. Whether you're an avid truck enthusiast, an industry professional, or simply curious about the manufacturing marvels taking place behind closed doors, this video is a must-watch. Join us on this virtual tour and gain a profound understanding of the effort and expertise invested in Scania's truck factory. Prepare to be captivated by the fusion of human skill and advanced technology as we showcase the heartbeat of Scania's manufacturing operations. Get ready to be impressed by the awe-inspiring collaboration between man and machine, resulting in the creation of exceptional heavy-duty vehicles for various industries. Experience the passion, precision, and pride that drives Scania's truck factory forward. Without further ado, let us take you on this thrilling virtual journey through the production line. Sit back, relax, and enjoy our exclusive sneak peek into the captivating world of Scania manufacturing. In the early 20th century, the transportation industry underwent a revolutionary transformation with the introduction of the first trucks by Wagenfabrikants and Scania in 1902. These pioneering vehicles marked the beginning of a journey that would see Scania emerge as a global leader in the production of trucks and buses. As we delve into the corporate milestones spanning over a century, from the establishment of the bus in 1891 to the recent achievements in 2021, the evolution of Scania unfolds as a testament to innovation, resilience, and a commitment to sustainability. Early years and milestones, 1891 to 1940. Scania's story begins with the establishment of the bus in 1891. The company's first truck, dating back to 1902, could carry 1.5 tons of cargo and had a top speed of 12 km per hour. A competitor, Scania, entered the scene with a truck of similar capacity but with a distinctive 2-cylinder 12 HP engine under the driver's seat. The years that followed witnessed milestones such as the first industrial engine in 1905 and an adventurous 520-kilometer trip in 1909. The creation of Scania Bus in 1911 set the stage for more groundbreaking achievements, including the introduction of the first Swedish-built bus in 1911 and the first fire truck in 1912. However, financial difficulties in 1921 posed challenges, yet the company persevered and continued to innovate with the introduction of the forward-control Bulldog bus in 1932 and the unitary engine Royal in 1939. Post-war era and expansion, 1941 to 1980. The post-war period brought new challenges and opportunities for Scania. In 1941, a new strategy for growth was implemented, leading to becoming the general agent for Volkswagen in 1948. The introduction of the 400,000-kilometer engine in 1949 showcased Scania's commitment to durability and reliability. The 1950s and 1960s saw significant milestones, including the introduction of the legendary V8 engine in 1969 and the merger with Saab in the same year. The 1970s marked an epoch-making moment with the introduction of the silent bus in 1971, demonstrating Scania's focus on passenger comfort. Group assembly was introduced in 1974, and global expansion continued with a new production facility in Argentina in 1976. Innovation and technological advancements, 1980 to 2000. The 1980s and 1990s were characterized by a series of innovations and successful product launches. The introduction of the GPRT range in 1980 and the K chassis in 1982 contributed to Scania's success. The reemergence of the Griffin in Scania's logo in 1984 symbolized a renewed identity. In 1991, Scania celebrated its 100th anniversary, introducing the new Streamline Cat range. The 1990s witnessed the unveiling of the Scania Retarder in 1993 and the 4 Series lineup in 1995. Scania once again became an independent company in 1995. The introduction of the 4 Series was celebrated with the Truck of the Year award in 1996. The turn of the millennium saw the production of the 1,000,000th vehicle in Zwolle in 2000, accompanied by the introduction of a new production philosophy. Into the 21st century, sustainability and technological advancements, 2000 to 2021. Scania's journey into the 21st century has been marked by a relentless pursuit of innovation, sustainability, and technological excellence. Initiatives such as the first Young European Truck Driver competition in 2003 and the launch of the R-Series in 2004 showcased Scania's commitment to driver skills and product development. The early 2000s brought environmental consciousness to the forefront, with Scania transitioning from Euro 4 to Euro V with selective catalytic reduction, SCR, in 2005. Collaborating with Cummins, Scania introduced XPI technology in the same year. The company's commitment to sustainability was evident in 2007 with the unveiling of an ethanol-powered hybrid bus. The mid-2010s marked a significant shift with the launch of the new generation trucks in 2016, followed by the introduction of the XT range in 2017, emphasizing Scania's focus on diverse applications. Investment in a battery cell manufacturer in 2018 and the transformation into Traton in the same year reflected Scania's strategic vision. In 2019, Scania showcased its forward-thinking approach with the AXL, a cabless, autonomous concept truck, and innovative concepts for urban transport. The company also made a symbolic gesture by stopping operations for Climate Day. The year 2020 posed unprecedented challenges with the global pandemic, but Scania responded with the launch of the first battery electric truck and the introduction of a new V8 range. The current year, 2021, has seen Scania making strides in responsible trucking, introducing a 64-ton electric truck, and launching the new Scania Interlink. The profitability of the new Scania Super further underscores the company's dedication to meeting the evolving needs of the industry. Conclusion. As we reflect on Scania's journey from its early years to the present, the company's commitment to innovation, sustainability, and technological advancements stands out. From the modest beginnings of the first trucks in 1902 to the present-day electric and autonomous concepts, Scania has consistently pushed the boundaries of what is possible in the world of transportation. Scania's corporate milestones tell a story of resilience, adaptability, and a relentless pursuit of excellence. Whether it's pioneering new engine technologies, introducing award-winning trucks, or leading the way in sustainable practices, Scania continues to shape the future of the transportation industry. As the company looks towards the horizon, it is poised to remain a driving force in the ever-evolving landscape of trucking and mobility. Scania. The history of Scania, in fact, began in December 1891, when in Södertälje, Sweden, engineer and entrepreneur Philip Wilson and steel manufacturer Sir Hammersbruck founded a company dedicated to building railway wagons, Wagenfabriks Aktiebolaget i Södertälje, better known by what in 1906 would become the company's, Wagenfabrikens first truck, dating from 1902. According to a 1903 exhibition catalogue, the truck could carry 1.5 tons of cargo and had a top speed of 12 km per hour. The competitor Scania's first truck, also dating from 1902, carried 1.5 tons of cargo and had a 2-cylinder 12 HP engine placed under the driver's seat. 1891, the buses established. 1897, first completely Swedish-built car. 1900, Scania acquires bicycle maker. 1902, first truck. 1905, first industrial engine. 1909, adventurous 520-kilometer trip. 1911, first Swedish-built bus. 1911, Scania the bus is created. 1912, first fire truck. 1921, financial difficulties. 1932, first forward control bulldog bus. 1934, last year Scania shows a loss. 1939, first unitary engine, Royal. 1940, first electric bus delivered. 1940, first women in the factory. 1941, first 50 years, new strategy going for growth. 1948, general agent for Volkswagen. 1949, the 400,000-kilometer engine. 1951, first turbocharged diesel engine. 1956, more than 50% in exports. 1957, subsidiary in Brazil. 1961, introduction of supercharged truck engine DS10. 1961, the man behind the modular system. 1964, new central laboratory opens. 1964, new plant in Zwolle, the Netherlands. 1966, acquires BGE's plant for truck cabs. 1966, Scania 75 years, new head office. 1968, new factory in Luleå. 1969, introduction of the legendary V8 engine. 1969, Scania the bus merges with Saab. 1971, epoch-making silent bus. 1974, group assembly is introduced. 1976, new production facility in Argentina. 1980, introducing the GPRT range. 1982, K-chassis, one of Scania's most successful. 1984, the Griffin reappears in Scania's logo. 1987, Scania Technical Center opens. 1989, first ethanol buses. 1991, celebrating the 100th anniversary. 1991, new streamlined cab range. 1993, Scania Retardo made history. 1995, 4 Series lineup unveiled. 1995, Scania again an independent company. 1996, 4 Series receives Truck of the Year award. 2000, 1.000.000th vehicle rolls of the line in SWO. 2000, introducing new production philosophy. 2003, first Young European Truck Driver Competition. 2004, launch of the R Series. 2005, from Euro 4 to Euro V with SCR. 2005, introduce XPI together with Cummins. 2006, new bus generation. 2006, Scania Truck Year. 2007, unveils a new ethanol-powered hybrid bus. 2009, new R Series awarded Truck of the Year. 2010, new powerful V8 with 730 HP. 2011, connected vehicles as standard. 2011, introducing complete Euro 6 range. 2012, fossil-free internal transports. 2012, introducing 1000 HP V8 marine engine. 2013, new streamline range. 2014, a fully owned subsidiary to VW. 2014, Scania first to launch a watch. 2015, 150,000 trucks connected. 2016, launch of new generation trucks. 2017, the XT range introduced. 2018, investment in battery cell manufacturer. 2018, VW truck and bus became Traton. 2019, AXL cabless, autonomous concept truck. 2019, innovative concept for urban transport. 2019, Scania stocks for Climate Day. 2020, efforts to help during the pandemic. 2020, first battery electric truck launch. 2020, new V8 range provides ultimate power. 2020, science-based targets approved. 2021, 64-ton electric truck. 2021, launch of new Scania Interlink. 2021, responsible trucking. 2021, the new Scania superpowers profitability. Scania, over a century of heavy transport. Every piece of Scania's history has contributed to the company that Scania is today, a global giant with a glorious past. In all, 130 years of history, including an unexpected renaissance. These are the most important milestones in Scania's history, those that have contributed to the company's birth and consolidation in the trucking world. A step back to Scania's origins. The origins of what is now known as Scania AB lie in the more distant past, even before the merger in 1911 between the company Vabis and the company Maskin Fabriks AB Scania. The history of Scania, in fact, began in December 1891, when in Södertälje, Sweden, engineer and entrepreneur Philip Wilson and steel manufacturer Sura Hammersbruck founded a company dedicated to building railway wagons, Wagenfabriks Aktiebolaget I Södertälje, better known by what in 1906 would become the company's official brand name, Vabis. In time, in addition to railway wagons, Vabis also began to produce petrol engines, cars, trucks, motorcycles, motorboats and marine engines. From success to the first signs of crisis, 1891 to 1910. Scania's beginnings, at least initially, were characterized by good success. There was no lack of major losses, but even these played a major role in the consolidation of what is now the House of the Griffin. In fact, in 1897 the manufacturer produced Sweden's first four-seater car. 5 years later, in 1902, Scania also built the first truck in its history. The beginning of the 20th century, therefore, was a period of great prosperity for the company, which built a total of 323 vehicles. With increasing competition and rising rolling stock prices, however, the first losses for the company began. Due to the stagnation in rolling stock production, in 1907, the board of directors decided to establish a new engine and car company. During this period, the new company also undertook the construction of a new 3-ton truck with a 20-horsepower engine. However, not even winning the gold medal in the international truck competition of the Swedish Royal Automobile Club in 1909 was able to lift the company's fortunes and prevent total financial disaster. The 1911 merger that gave birth to Scania. Faced with incessant losses, Sir Hammersbruck tried in vain to sell the company. So, as the dramatic possibility of imminent closure began to appear in the background of Scania's history, the light finally arrived. It came from Per Alfred Norman, managing director of Maskin Fabriks Aktiebolaget Scania. Maskin Fabriks AB Scania was a company, founded in Malmö in 1900, that manufactured bicycles. In 1910, however, the company achieved success mainly in the production of engines, cars and trucks. Soon, therefore, the company set off in search of a partner who could take over the construction of the bodywork for its vehicles. A search that ended with Vabis. In 1911, the two companies were merged to create the new Scania Vabis, today known as Scania AB, after the Latin name of the region, Scania. The headquarters were built at Södertälje, and the first managing director of the new company was Per Alfred Norderman. Scania Buses grieves the harmful consequences of the Great War, 1914 to 1921. The outbreak of the First World War stopped Scania Bus exports outside the Nordic countries. The company, following the strategic plan of its CEO, chose to focus on the production of standard trucks. Despite Norderman's good intentions, however, a new period of quite significant losses began. Inflation caused by the war then played a key role, and the resulting deflationary policy of 1919 led the company into an unsustainable situation, which prompted Norderman himself, together with other executives, to resign. Towards the end of 1919, the major shareholders and creditors were forced to intervene with the aim of reviving the fortunes of Scania Bus. A new managing director was also appointed for this purpose, but this was not enough to stop the strikes, redundancies and losses, which continued to accumulate until the company was driven into liquidation. Scania Bus reborn after liquidation, the 1920s. At the beginning of the 1920s, however, with the aim of limiting losses, a new company was founded under the original name, AB Scania Bus. This